For cities that never sleep, comfortable, convenient living, and smiling faces around the world. Energy for the Earth. Yanmar. To support today's modern lifestyles with greater comfort. To conserve the planet's limited resources and move forward in harmony with nature. To achieve comfort with ecology. This is Yanmar's mission. Yanmar's gas heat pump air conditioning systems provide clean comfort that is kind to the environment. Focusing on the benefits of natural gas, such as clean combustion and stable supply, Yanmar was one of the first to develop and introduce gas heat pump air conditioning systems. A boiler just uses fuel to provide heat, but the gas heat pump uses a gas engine to drive the heat pump compressor. This reversible heat pump cycle enables the heat pump to provide high-efficiency heating and also cooling. Compared to an electric heat pump, the only difference is that the gas engine is used to drive the compressor instead of an electric motor. The indoor units and system operation are almost exactly the same. However, this difference in the way the compressor is driven gives 4 big advantages for gas engine-driven systems. The first is that electrical consumption is typically only 1/10 that of an electrically powered system. This can reduce initial costs and running costs. Second, by reducing peak electrical demand caused by electrically driven cooling systems, energy supply and demand balance is improved. Third, heat recovery allows reclaimed heat from the engine to be used efficiently for space heating or hot water production. The fourth benefit is that compared to a typical electrical heat pump, by using clean natural gas, CO2 emissions are reduced. Yanmar's 24/7 remote monitoring system minimizes potential trouble by detecting changes in key system parameters in advance of trouble occurring. If there is a problem, Yanmar staff quickly provide a speedy response based on operational data from the remote monitoring center. Effective maintenance helps to ensure continuous and optimum operation. Combining ecology, economy and comfort, Yanmar's gas heat pump air conditioning systems are used in restaurants, large commercial buildings, office buildings, schools, hospitals and many other applications. We, Yanmar, will continue to be an innovator in harnessing energy while contributing to an environmentally sustainable society. Yanmar is pioneering the future of energy for people and the Earth. Energy for the Earth. Yanmar.
Solutioneering together. Yanmar.